Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change from quick chat to free chat in Among Us. So this is the Among Us platform. So all you need to do is make sure you're logged in into your Among Us account, and once you're signed in or logged in, then all you need to do is you're going to see this interface. You click on play. So once you click on play, you're going to see offline or online. So let's just try it again. You click on online, not offline. So once you click on online, you're going to see create game, enter code, find game. So you click on create game. So once you click on create game, you'll choose all the necessary customization you want for your lobby in the settings. So you can either choose a game type of hide and seek or classic, but choose classic and it's just there automatically though. So afterwards you can just stick to beginners, intermediate, or expert, any one of your choice. So once you do that, you click on your region. So once you click on your region, you can see right here this part where you can see a red shade, right? So you can see that is chats, right? So you just have to click on chats right there. So once you click on chat, you can see it's on free chat already because it has been activated. So all you just need to do is once it's on quick chat, you just need to click on free chat right here. So once you click on that, it's going to be ticked, and you click on the language, any language of your choice. So afterwards you click on create the game and you confirm, and you just created yourself a good game, and it's going to come out perfectly well. So you can now share the codes to your friends, and you guys are going to enjoy your free chat. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my positive side. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.